welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how I make my silicone beaded badge reels, and these are perfect for if you work in a hospital and if you work in a school and you use them, or just wherever you work. So let's get into it. Okay, so first what you'll need is you'll need some tape. You'll of course need the badge reel, and I get these off of Amazon, and they come in a fairly large pack, and I will also link these and some other tools that I use in the description. You will also need some pliers, so I have two different kinds. You'll also need a lighter, and then of course your beads. So these are gonna be the ones that I will use today, and also scissors. Okay, so first you want to pull it out and then wrap it around. I wrap it around twice, and then this is where the tape comes in hand, because we want to tape this down so then it doesn't snap back. So once it is like that, the next step is take apart the badge reel, because that is how we are going to put the beads on. So first we will take apart this little piece here, and this is where the pliers come in. So I will just take the pliers and then try to get like right here, so then we can open this part up. And then once it is open, then we will just slide that out and make sure you don't lose these pieces. So there is a little knot, and it kind of gets stuck, as you can see right there. So we want to pull that out. So I use my weeding tool, which are these little tweezers, and I kind of just put it in and kind of just grab onto it and then pull it. Sometimes it can be a little difficult. You can just cut it here. So I cut right where the knot is, and then you just want to slide this piece out and then put that to the side and make sure you don't lose that as well. And then that is it. So now we will put our beads on. So I'm going to start with this speckled one, and then the flower. And you want to make sure that you put the beads in the right direction. For example, if I had this bead, I don't want to put it on like that. You want to make sure that it's facing the right way. And for my badge reels, I typically only use 3 beads, but it just depends on how many you want and the sizing of them. So after that, I am going to use the lighter. And then you just put that piece back through and make sure that it goes all the way through that top hole, and then now you're just going to knot it. And I try to get as close to the end as possible, so then it does not stick out too much. So this is what it will look like. And then we just put this piece back on, and this is when I use these pliers, and then I just push them together. And then lastly, we take the tape off. And this is how it looks. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, or if you want to see any other videos. I do have some other videos showing how I make my silicone beaded wristlet, but if you guys also want other videos such as how I make my keychains or lanyards, just comment down below, and make sure that you guys like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.